I'm at lost. I learn every day with you guys. Kasi may sinend ka yata sa akin video na, oh no, it was Baba, your ate, sent me a video na I want to remind of a mother saying na I just want to remind you that I was your best friend. So it's true. I have to accept that because you all grow up, diba? I have to remind you that I will forever be your best friend. Regardless if.
Yeah, but please know that kahit, alam mo yun, you will always be my best friend. I mean, lahat kami magkakapatid. Alam mo yun. Normal lang talaga sa pamilyang bago na tayo. Alam mo, wala eh. Family, love. Love talaga yung ano.
I don't think anyone can say na ganito akong nanay, ito akong nanay, ito lang ganito. Wala. Because now, at 51, with 8 kids, I'm still learning. Because you guys are revolving eh. You guys are all, I can't catch up. So all I can do is understand your journey. Diba? Go with you through it. Kasi